Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. I am excited to bring a new brand to my channel today called Narene Beauty. I was so thrilled when they reached out to me and asked if they could send some products for me to review. I am going to link their Instagram page here and of course their website below. This video is not sponsored. However, they did send me these products for my honest review, and you have my word that you will get my honest review. But they sent me this beautiful package that I wanted to point out to you. I love the pretty decorative sparkles in the bottom of the bag, and they sent me 4 different lip liners, 3 different lip products, and then this pretty little bag to keep it in. How cute is this? You can tie this to your purse. It says Narene Beauty on the front, and then it opens up and you can put all your pretties inside or just carry it as a cute little purse. So I do have my face on right now. I will have all of the products linked in the description box below, but I just thought we'd have some fun swatching, do a lip look, and I'll give you my final thoughts on what I think about the products. First, I'm going to show you the lip liners. I have 4 of them here, and the first one is called BFF. I would call this a nude leaning mauve shade. Next one that I have is Candy Apple. There is Candy Apple on my hand. Looks like a nice cherry red. These feel nice and creamy. The next one's going to be right up my alley, and it is called Whiskey. This is the one that I am most excited to play with. We'll do this one. It's a nice nude brown. And then this last one out of my comfort zone is called Viola. And here I have it swatched on my hand. It is a deeper purple shade. In my Boxycharm video, I had this color on. Sometimes I like to force myself out of my comfort zone. So those are the 4. Definitely interested in the top 3, and then that 4th one, I've already played with it. For the lip products, they offer matte lipsticks, they offer matte liquid lips, and they offer lip glosses. I picked up the matte lipstick in the shade Lust. Very nice peachy shade of nude. I also picked up a matte liquid lip. This one is in the shade Flambe, and this is that nice 90s brown that I'm such a fan of. And the third is a gloss, and that one is in the shade Snatched. Beautiful packaging, reminds me of Patrick Ta. And there is the gloss called Snatched. I'm going to try each one of these on my lips now, and we are going to start with Viola. Here is Viola all over the lips. It is creamy enough to go over the lips with it. And then just for fun, I'm going to throw the gloss on top of it. This is the shade Snatched. Definitely tones it down. Looks nice. I like it. Now we're going to play with the red shade. This one is Candy Apple. Here is Candy Apple. Feels comfortable on the lips. You could wear this alone. And should we throw the gloss on top? I like that. I was having a hard time telling which one is which. The matte liquid lipstick is this one, and it's frosted. So this is the gloss. So here is the red. And let's throw that nice nude colored gloss on top of this one. Definitely warms it up. I like it. But you could easily throw a clear gloss on it as well. And ooh, I feel the mintiness and I like it. Very, very nice. I'm gonna move on to BFF, which is the nice mauve shade. This one may feel the creamiest to me. This one was the easiest to fill my lips with. Very, very pretty. And just for giggles, I'm gonna put this matte lipstick on top of it. And this is in the shade Lust. Let's throw some Lust on top of there. Goes on very nicely. Feels very lightweight. This is a beautiful nude. If we wanted to throw some gloss on top, we can do that too if you are extra extra and want 3 layers of product. Just to add a little extra shine. This reminds me of the Patrick Ta Liquid Lip, this gloss, because it's got a shine to it, but it's not super, super shiny. It just looks very healthy and fuller, plumper lips. Now for the one I think is going to be my very favorite. This one is Whiskey. This one is my favorite. It's that lovely 90s brown, tinging on the warm side, nude. Absolutely love it. We could pair this with the lipstick, which, just to remember, this is going to lighten it just a little bit. But what I want to do is play with this liquid lip. And this one is in the shade Flambe. I appreciate how one dip did my entire mouth. I didn't have to go in more than once. Very, very pretty. We're gonna let that dry down and then we're gonna give it the kiss test to see if it is transferable. Okay, I've given it about a minute to set. It feels like nothing on the lips. Super lightweight, it's not sticky. No, it's absolutely lovely and no transfer. Clean hand. Nothing. Harder. Very, very nice. I like it a lot. Let's go ahead and throw the gloss on for a final look. And they just pair beautifully together. If you like a warm nude color, this gloss is going to be everything. So for an overview of these products, the liners retail for $19 a piece. They all went on super smoothly. I would say the most difficult one was that Viola, which was the purple. The rest went on, they just glided on so beautifully. The liquid lipsticks retail for $24 and the matte lipstick retails for $24 as well. And then the gloss is $22. They do have duos, they have bundles on here. So like I said, I will make sure that I post the website in the description box. Let me know if you have tried this really cool brand before. I see them on Instagram. You can give them a follow on Instagram, but very much enjoying these lip products. So I hope you had fun today playing with lips, trying some different styles, trying some different formulas with me. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing before you leave. I review makeup. I do full face of drugstore, of high-end, just having some fun. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know you were here, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.